So this is a Microtrains hopper, coal hopper for CB&Q. That's what it looks like. Gives you an idea of the detail. It's got the brake wheel and all that on there, ladders. And this is 3D printed of the same car. It's not quite finished being cut out, and got some work to do on the bottom yet. Doesn't have brake wheels. This file's from Thingiverse. The file is free. Gives you an idea what the comparison is. These are printed on a resin, or not on a resin, on a filament printer. So they're got, one is printed at high detail and one isn't. This is what they start out, all the flashing on them. These two cars I printed on the library. It's a free membership and you just pay for the filament. So these two cars, a Jeep and two dump trucks, cost $2 of filament. So I have to do a lot of work to them, but I'm curious if it's something comparable. Could build a lot bigger coal train if you wanted. Obviously you'd have to have decals, which is no problem. Some people like projects. I'll show you the trucks. They haven't cut them out either. These are the dump trucks. I printed them in clear. These are from Thingiverse as well. And one of them is printed with the bucket up. And this is a Viking dump truck for comparison. I mean, you know, pennies in comparison. These are some Jeeps that I printed. They didn't turn out very good. I'm gonna redo these. They're supposed to be two Jeeps on a pallet for a flat car. The file, there might be something wrong with the file, I don't know. Everything I'm doing is really free or next to free, and for the 3D printing. And the other Jeep is here. This is a CJ5, those are CJ2s. This is for delivering mail, so I printed it in white. I have to take all that flashing off. Takes a bunch of time. But I just wanted to see if this was something that was worthwhile doing, because there's a lot of unique items on there. All right.